Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of this 200-pound 2 e-bike rack that was sent to me by a company called OutfitR. The e-bike rack does come with a ramp to assist you with getting your e-bike up onto the rack. It is a very heavy-duty bike rack. It can hold up to 200 pounds, 2 e-bikes, 50-inch wheelbase, and 5-inch tires. So it will hold some large e-bikes. You do need a heavy-duty vehicle to haul this in the back. You can't do it with a light-duty vehicle. It has to have a 2-inch receiver hitch. You need something like a pickup truck or a large SUV or an RV that is equipped to haul something that heavy. In the box weighs 68 pounds. Fully assembled, it's supposed to weigh only 57 pounds. So I'll check that out. The product ID of this is 4148 on the website. I will also be putting a link in the description so that you'll be able to click on that and go right to the bike rack if you are so inclined. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get started with unboxing this and putting it together. Here is the e-bike ramp with the box open for the first time. That's what it looks like. Okay, here are all the components out of the box. As you can see, there's quite a number of components here. It does come with instructions, which I'll be using. It does support up to 2 bikes, 100 pounds each. It does come with the ramp, as you see there in the front. That way you don't have to pick your bike up and set it on there. You can roll it right up the ramp. It is adjustable and secure. It features adjustable straps to fit bikes of varying lengths, and it protects your bikes from scratching. It does have ultra-wide wheel support that can fit tires up to 5 inches. And it's designed for zero wobble during travel. It does fold easily for compact storage. It has a lightweight aluminum frame. It's constructed from high quality aluminum. It has universal compatibility. It fits 2-inch receivers, so it makes it versatile for most cars and trucks. And again, you're going to need a heavy-duty vehicle for this. You're not going to want to put it on a lightweight vehicle. It does come with a 1-year warranty. Okay, everyone, here's the bike rack assembled. It's a nice bike rack, let me tell you. It only took me about 30 to 45 minutes to put it together. I took my time. It is very heavy-duty, very well made. For assembly, you'll need a few tools, and here you'll notice that it tells you here that you need a monkey wrench and about 3 open face wrenches there. All I did was I used 3 monkey wrenches, 2 big ones and kind of a small one. I'll show you that in a minute. I assure you, no monkeys were sacrificed in this video. But here's the rack. Let me show you a few things about it. All right, so here we are with the ramp in front of me here. The instructions were very adequate, easy to assemble. Took me only about 30 to 45 minutes to assemble this. I took my time, didn't get in any hurry. And it did take, for assembly, it took 2 large 12-inch monkey wrenches and 1 small one, 6-inch monkey wrench. I call these adjustable wrenches. So it is a very well made ramp. I do like the way it's designed. This bolt here for putting on your hitch is going to go into your hitch, and you're going to tighten that up with one of the wrenches, and that's going to keep it from rocking and swaying. And then it has these nice bars that come up to secure your bicycle to these bars. They're very solid, well made for both of the ramps. It has these straps to hold your wheels down tight on both ends. And here you see the ramp that can come off with this. You take this little clip out here, and then that'll slide out, and then you can use the ramp to put your bicycle on there. So I'm going to go get my SUV, get it connected on there, and give you a demo of it with the bicycles on it. All right, the time has arrived to go ahead and put the bike rack onto the back of the Expedition. I have a 2013 Ford Expedition that I'll be mounting this onto. I have the bike rack in the upright tilted position. It only tilts up and then down flat. So I've got it in the up position now. So I'm going to attempt to put it on that way. I do have the bolt ready. So this bolt comes with the bike rack. It's a special bolt made to go through your receiver hitch and then thread into the bike rack itself. And then it has a cotter pin on the other side of it. So once I put this in there, I want to tighten this up real good and tight, and that's going to keep that from wobbling instead of having just a regular pin. So I'll go ahead and get this pin put here, and I'm going to go ahead and pick this bike rack up and see what I can do to just slide it on into the hitch as it is. Not bad at all. And I'm going to try and line that up. All right, I went a little far. There it is right there. All right. And then I'm going to put the bolt in there and tighten that rascal up good and tight. All right. It's easy as that. I'm going to go get my monkey wrench and tighten that. All right. I got the monkey wrench here ready to go. Go ahead and tighten this thing down good and tight. That's going to keep this thing from wobbling around because it's tightening right down up onto the receiver hitch itself. And that, my friends, is pretty tight right there. And it does come with the cotter pin just for security reasons in case it backs out. Now I will go ahead and pull this pin here and rock it a little bit. Pull that down. Put the pin back in. And it is ready to go. Let me just check this out. Look at that. Okay. Oh yeah. It's tight. I weigh 185 pounds, so no worries. It's going to hold this no problem. All right, I'm ready to load the bicycles up. We'll get the first one loaded here. I did use 2 monkey wrenches to tighten this bolt here to keep this from wobbling more. So you do need to tighten that down good and tight. The other thing that I have done is I've gone ahead and adjusted this for this bicycle here. And just to show you, this pivots up and down. So I'm going to pivot this down to get it out of the way. And then I'm going to remove the rack, the ramp, I should say, by removing this hairpin and pin. The ramp comes right off, and then you just put it right here on the rack, and it locks in really nice. I did notice on my bicycle it has a little drop down piece. It will strike this ramp a little bit right here, so you have to pick up on the bicycle a little bit to keep it from rubbing on here. It's really easy to load, so let me go ahead and get that going here. I'm working by myself. I'm just going to roll this right on up the ramp. No problem at all. And as I get up to the top of the ramp here, I'm going to have to pick up the back wheel so it doesn't hit on the ramp. Kind of lean this out a bit, and then it will just fall right on into the bike ramp. It just falls right on in there. It's setting just fine. Now I can just lean this up against this adjustable piece here. Just lean it in there, and then I can take this strap, push it through, and it's got a nice rubber piece there to keep this from getting scratched. Just tie that down nice and tight like that, and then take this one, put it through the bicycle wheel, line up the rubber piece to keep from scratching your rim, and then push it through the lock and tighten it down good. That's good. And then we've got another one here. All right, and then slide this through the wheel. Go around here and push it through and tighten that down. And that's good. Remove the ramp. Put the pin in it. There you have it. That's it. I'll go get the other bicycle and we'll get the bicycle number 2 loaded on this bad boy. All right, we're ready with the second bicycle to put on the ramp, so let's get started with that. First I'm going to do is take the ramp off. Take the bicycle. I'll put the kickstand up so it's out of the way and just push it right on up the ramp. Let it sit in. I've already got it adjusted here so it fits perfectly right onto the bicycle post for the seat. Tighten that bad boy in there. It's pretty solid just like that. Now I'm going to take the strap for the tire, put it through the wheel, tighten that down. No problem. Next I'll do the front wheel. Find a good spoke to put it through. Tighten that down. It's a done deal. And then put the ramp back. And then, of course, put the pin into the ramp. To take the bike off, put the ramp back, undo the latches, pull them back out of the way, undo the front one, undo the seat post, pull it out of the way, and then just slide it off. Roll it right off the ramp. Easy as that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video and give you my final conclusion on this bike rack for hauling 2 e-bikes. I think that this bike rack is very nice, very well engineered. It's very heavy duty. It doesn't wobble, and it holds your bikes really easy. Really good, really well. It's very easy to load your bikes using the ramp, and it's very easy to unload the bikes off the ramp. It's easy to cinch them down. It's got adequate straps to hold your bike in place at 3 points, the front tire, the rear tire, and at the seat post. And it also comes with these straps. There's 4 Velcro straps in case you need additional protection. If you feel like you need to use these, you can, but I really didn't see a reason to do that. All you need to assemble the rack is 3 adjustable wrenches, as they call it in the instructions, monkey wrenches. You need 2 of these 12-inch ones, and you need 1 6-inch adjustable wrench. That's really all you need to assemble it. The instructions, as you see there on my wiper blade, those instructions that came with the bike ramp are adequate. It's easy to put together once you follow instructions and look at the pictures. So I give this bike rack 2 thumbs up, definitely. Thank you, Outfitter, for letting me do a review on this and sending me the rack to do so. Thank you for viewing, And there is a link in the description for the bike rack. If you want to click on the link in the description, it'll take you right to it. So if you like the video, maybe give me a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next episode. Have a good one.